Alright guys, still in Guernsey in the Channel Islands. So in this video I want to take you to the most famous attraction here in Guernsey. So this attraction is called Little Chapel, and it's a little church somewhere in the middle of the island. So I was checking with the bus information office, and from here, from the bus terminal, you can take the bus number 71 to there. So this little church is somewhere in the middle of the island in an area called St. Andrews. So I don't know how long it's gonna take me to get there, but I want to show you. So I was checking on Google, and apparently it's one of the most famous attraction here in Guernsey, and I just want to show you how it looks like. So I'm looking after bus 71. It says, the lady on the office, she says it's gonna leave in at 5 past. So I still have 5 minutes. So here is the stand G. So if you come to Guernsey, stand G for 71, go to St. Andrews. So yeah, 71. I'll take the bus and I will see you there, guys, to see how it's looking, the most famous attraction in the island. I was living here for 5 years, but I never, not for 5 years, I was living here for 3 years and a half, but I never visit that place. So it's first time for me also. Join me to explore together this famous place. In front of me, marina and a Castle Cornet. Let's do it. I'm in a bus, guys. The bus is very noisy, so I hope you can hear me. So we're going there. I don't know how long it's gonna take, exactly how I said. Check this out, the marina over here. I think it's a cruise ship in town, so there are quite a lot of cruise ships coming here. I can see the bus is a little bit busy, so yeah. But I will let you know when I arrive there. All right, so we arrive to the little chapel. So this is the area where it's the most famous attraction in Guernsey. So you see, I'm in the middle of nowhere, just some cows over there. So here on the right side should be the famous little chapel, which was built in 1914. So let's see. So there's a little bit of history about. So let's see over there. You can see, guys, it's on that hill there. And after, we're going to visit a little bit the chapel to show you how it's looking inside. And after that, I'll show you the area here. So yeah, it's quiet here, to be honest. So here it is, guys. Let's see where is the entrance, in that way it says. Let's go here. So see, thank you. Okay, so here is the chapel. So you see how tiny and small it is. We will go inside also. Here we go. This is the inside. I think you can go downstairs if you want to pray over here in the front of this altar. I don't know how you call it in English. In my language is altar. Let's see where it's going, this tunnel. Oh, it's another room here. You can pray here also. You can do some donation if you want to. It's here, this room, I don't know what is there. Let's just go out. So yeah, guys, it's not very big. It's actually quite small. I never been here before. Let's see what is here around. Let me show you from this side. You see how beautiful it is. if you come to Guernsey, guys, you need to come here. So you will take the bus number 71, or you can take a taxi if you want. But I would suggest to take the bus, especially from the town center. It's £1.70. But when I check on my bank, they charge me just 20p. So I don't know. There we go. Let me show you again. Let's just go here to see what's happened and see this. Check this out. Very famous here in Guernsey. I saw this building, this little chapel, is on a lot of postcards also. So it's worth it to come to visit if you come here. I just want to go around to see what else is here. You see here a little fountain, a mosaic over there, bench if you want to stay, to sit down. Let's just go on this. Oh, I like this gate. It's like a ceramic, I don't know, from plates, or I don't know what is that. Okay. So you are not allowed to go in that way, so we'll need to go back. And I want to show you here around. I think it's a hotel. Let me see. In case you come here and maybe you want to stay here over the night, to give you the name of the hotel. And you can, guys, go to check on Google to see how much it costs for a night. Let's go. So actually now I don't know where to go from here. I mean, it's just one bus, so I need to wait for the bus. It's 71 and I think it's gonna take me back in town, and for there I will see where else I will go, because I want to show you other areas also. It's a college here, so it's not accommodation. Yeah, it's a college. I don't know. When I saw that building, I thought it's a hotel or something like that, but obviously it's not. So yeah, this place, Little Chapel, it's somewhere in the middle of the island. San Andro area is called. So yeah, you see the field, just the cows over there. Also, I saw a taxi here, so yeah, might be taxis who can take you to town if you don't want to wait for the bus. But I don't have nothing else to do, so I'm not in a rush. I just want to chill today, to enjoy and relax, and to show you guys how the island is look like if you want to visit. I'll show you again. That's the Little Chapel. What do you think, guys? Let me know what you think about this beautiful building. Historical also, more than 100 years old. I think I will close the video here, because I'm going to the bus station to take the bus back to town, or maybe I will go somewhere else. I just want to arrive there to sit on a bench and to make a plan, because the initial plan was just to come here to show you guys. And yeah, but if I'm going in different areas, I will be more than, I will do other video to show you. I just want to show you some German bunkers to see how they look like here in Ireland. So yeah, here is the bus station. It's literally exactly in the front. So if you don't know where to get out of the bus, just ask the driver and I'm sure he's gonna tell you. So yeah, don't forget it's bus 71. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider to subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. And thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.